So good morning, everybody. Good evening, Mr. X's class. We're going to be talking today about the Level 4 Awod word for this Wednesday, today September 2nd, which is found, to found. So to found, it means to start something, such as an organization or institution, especially by providing money. So it doesn't, people might be confused because this verb found is spelled exactly the same as the past of the verb to find. You're looking for something, you find it, encontrar in Spanish. That in the past is found, like I found it. Lo encontré, I found it. So that is a different verb. So the verb to found in Spanish is fundar, to start something. And that is found in the present. And in the past you add ed, it's a regular verb, and you add ed at the end. Fundó, founded. So, for example, this is a sentence with related to literature. The Russian writer Dostoevsky, I don't know if you heard about him, he's a famous writer from Russia in the 150 years ago, founded a literary journal, that's another Awod word, journal like a magazine, in the 1850s. So if he founded it in the 1850s, that means that he started it at that time. It began, it was the beginning of it. So if we're going to make a sentence, we could make another sentence, for example, who founded the United States of America? Anybody know?
Russian, the English?
So, well, yeah, it depends, I guess, what you mean by the United States. But in terms of like being independent from England, George Washington and what we call, Americans call them the founding fathers, because they founded the United States. So we could say George Washington, there were many of them. George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison. So they're all called John Adams. We could say the founding fathers founded the United States in, officially they declared independence in 1776. That's when they said we want our own country. Then they had to fight a war afterwards. So there's the word founded, and that's an example. And who founded Escuela Popular? Maestra Lidia. So when you hear the word found, or people talk about, she was the founder. So the founder is the person who found something. People often talk about Maestra Lidia that say she was the founder. She is the founder of our school. And then founding, the noun would be when something was founded, you call that the founding of. The founding of Escuela Popular was an important event. It was in 1986. And some synonyms for found: establish, commence, and start. This is especially establish, I think, because that's like establecer. When you create a new organization or institution, you start it, that's like you establish it. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video today.